Welcome. In this video, we will walk through how to log in and out with co-drivers. If you have a co-driver, you will both need to log into the same device in order to run the logs properly. Once you've logged into the app, you are on the dashboard. You're going to start by clicking the person icon at the top and then clicking the Add Driver button. Your co-driver will now need to enter in their assigned username and password. And then the rest of the login process follows the standard login process after selecting a vehicle. We are now going to be back at the dashboard, and if we click the person icon at the top, we can see we now have two drivers. A cool way to know who is currently assigned as the driver versus co-driver is the driver will be designated by the steering wheel icon. In the event we needed to add additional co-drivers, you could do so by clicking the plus sign. In the event that you need to switch between driver and co-driver, you can do so by clicking the driver's seat button. You will then get the driver's seat pop-up with all co-drivers currently logged in, and you will select who should be currently listed as the driver. I'm going to switch our driver. And now if I click back on our person icon at the top, we can see that Pete Mitchell now has a steering wheel icon next to his name, meaning he is now listed as the driver. What that means is that any drive log that is generated will be assigned to him. Now, the process to log out for co-drivers is the same as the normal logout process. So once the driver logs out, the other co-drivers that are logged in will still be logged in and attached to that vehicle until they complete the logout process as normal as well. That's all we have on this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.